Swagatam guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shikshalo. In this channel I am providing the contents related to aptitude and reasoning, and I am providing tricks and tips to solve these questions very quickly. So let's continue the remaining part. So the question says, so first of all, this question is appeared in Amazon aptitude test series. So the question says, in how many ways can one arrange the word education? In how many ways can one arrange the word education such that the relative positions of vowels and consonants remain same? So what is the relative position of vowels and consonants? So let's study that. So let's take the word education. Education. So they said the relative position of vowels and consonants remain same. So that is, here E is a vowel, its relative position, so that is its position is first. Its position is, it's a first letter. So D is a consonant, its position is second position. So U is a vowel, its position is third. So C is a consonant, its position is fourth. So let's take vowels, that is E, U, A. So let's start the position of vowels. E, U, A, I, O. E is at first position, U is at third position, A is at fifth position, and I is at seventh position, and O is at 8th position. So we need to get E, U, A, I, O in those positions only, but we can arrange these words. So U can come in third position, E can go in fifth. So the positions of E, U, A, I, O cannot take the position of consonants. So let us take the consonants position. So these are the 5 positions. So these 5 positions can be arranged with the vowels in 5 factorial ways. Correct? So we can arrange these vowels in its relative positions in 5 factorial ways. So let us take the consonants. So consonants are D, C, T and N. So D is at second position, C is at fourth position, and T is at 6th position, and N is at 9th position. So these consonants are arranged in its relative positions, that is 2, 4, 6, 9 only, in different permutation orders. It cannot take the position of vowels. So these 4 positions can be arranged in 4 factorial ways within itself only. Okay. So the total number of ways is, so for vowels we can arrange those relative positions in 5 factorial ways, into we can arrange these consonants in its relative positions only with repeating these words within itself in 4 factorial only. So the total number of ways equals to 120 into 24, which is equals to 2880, I think. So we can do it here. Yes, it's 2880. So we can arrange the word education in with the relative positions of vowel and consonants will remain same in 2880 ways. So this is the required answer for this question. So let's move on to the next question. So this is last question in this linear permutation and combination. So let's look at it. So this question is also asked in Amazon, and take it as a star because these questions can be asked by changing simply contains number 2. So they can change it to number 8. So they can give it as a 5-digit number. So 6-digit numbers. So the concept remains same. So let's do it. So they asked, how many 4-digit numbers contains? How many 4-digit numbers contain the number 2? For example, take a 4-digit number as 2222. So this is a 4-digit number. So in this number there are 4 2s. So like that. So there are 4 digit number starts from 1000, from 1000 to 9999. So up to this, how many 2s are present? So in 2222 there are 4 2s. So in like that fashion, so you can take 1002, in that 1 2 is there. So from 1000 to 9999, so there are how many 2s are there? So this question asked like that. So it's asked in Amazon, so it's a important question. So let's take it. So there are total, how many numbers, how many 4 digit numbers are there? So there are total, how many 4 digit numbers are there? So we can do it by like 9999, so minus 1000, so we'll get it as 8990 plus 1 including 1000, so we can get it as 9000. So there are total 9000 numbers are there which are 4 digit numbers. So let's take a consideration. So there are total 10 digits from 0 to 9. So there are total 10 digits from 0 to 9. So let us take, so this is our first digit, so this is our second digit, this is our third digit, this is our fourth digit. So they are asking the total number of 2s in a 4 digit number. So let's consider this. So first digit, second digit, third digit and fourth digit. If it has to be 4 digit number, so first letter cannot contain 0. If it contains 0, then it will become 3 digit number. So there are total 10 ways, that is there are total 10 numbers. So first let us find 4 digit numbers which does not contain any 2. So there are total 9000 numbers. In 9000 numbers we can subtract the total numbers which does not contain 2, so as to get the total numbers which contains 2. So that is total equals 2 contains equals to total number minus 2 doesn't contains. So this is, we're testing it for 2 doesn't contains. So take, there are total 10 numbers. In 10 numbers, first digit cannot be arranged with 0 and first digit cannot be arranged with 2. We are doing it for the digits which doesn't contain 2. So in 10 numbers, first digit cannot accessed with these 2 numbers. So remaining are 8 digits, that is 8 numbers. So we can arrange first digit with 8 ways. So we can arrange first digit with 8 ways. In the second digit we can get 0. So that's valid. So in the second digit we cannot, means we doesn't get 2. So that can be arranged in 9 ways. So same for third. For third digit also we cannot get 2. So it can be arranged in 9 ways. So for fourth digit also we can be arranged it in 9 ways. Correct? So we can arrange it in 9 ways. So the total number of ways in which we doesn't get 2 is 8 into 9 into 9 into 9. So where 2's are not there. Where 2's are not there. Which is equals to 8 into. So what you get? 7. We'll do 81 into 9, which is 72. 7 and 29. Multiply by 729 by 8. So 72, 23, 58. So just apparently 58, 32. So there are 5, 8, 3, 2 ways in which we don't get 2. So now 2's present in the number equals to total number of ways minus 2's doesn't contain. 2's doesn't contain. It is equals to total number of ways are 9000 minus 5832, which will give you 8614. 41 this is 3. So 3168 ways. So in how many 4-digit numbers contains number 2? That means, so there are 3168 68 2's are there in 4-digit numbers from 1000 to 9999. So linear permutation and combination, we still need to study circular permutation and the problems on combination. So that we will cover in our part 2 of this video, or maybe part 3. For more contents related to aptitude and reasoning, subscribe to my YouTube channel Shiksha Lok. So thank you.